Kakarating lang po no, ng eroplano galing Jakarta, Indonesia. Nakasakay po doon sa eroplano si Cassandra Leong at si Sheila Guo. At ngayon po ay inaresto po sila. Si Sheila Guo po ay inaresto dahil sa immigration violation. At si Cassandra Leong ay inaresto for obstruction of justice, violation of the Passport Act and other crimes. So ngayon po, dediretso po sila sa Bureau of Immigration and ipoprocess po sila. At nagsama-sama po ang Sergeant at Arms ng House of Representatives, ng Senado, NBI at Bureau of Immigration. Nag-usap-usap po kami and we came to an agreement that it would go through the proper processes. We want to err on the cautious side of things. This is the first time that we have encountered this type of situation, no? Kung saan meron pong order of arrest, ang House, ang Senado, meron din pong mga crimes no, na kinomit, so it would have to also pass through law enforcement. Which is why we all spoke and we all came into agreement that it would first pass through the law enforcers, which is really the protocol. It will be, so BI first, and then the Cassandra Leong will have to go through inquest proceedings over the weekend due to the several crimes that are going to be charged to her. Ms. Guo will have to be under the custody of immigration dahil yung charge naman sa kanya po ay immigration violations. Sorry? Well, she was... The Senate has already... The House has already issued an order of arrest for her. However, we have to charge her with obstruction of justice, which is a crime we believe she has committed in this case. Kaya po, dadaan muna natin sa inquest proceedings over the weekend. After all po ng lahat po ng proseso na idadaan po ng dalawa, they will be presented in either the House or the Senate. The legal custody will have to be with immigration dahil po yung violation po niya ay violation of immigration laws.
Sir, kailan po siya idadala sa Senado at sa Kongreso?
We will have to wait until the whole process is finished, and for sure during the hearings we will make sure that they are present.
For today, sir,
And, that will have to be kept confidential dahil po ongoing pa po yung operation natin sa kanya, no? We believe at this point that actions speak louder than words, kaya if you will allow us to keep these details private and confidential muna, then we will apprise the public as soon as they become available. That is something that we have to keep close to our chest, no? Confidential natin yan. Basta ano po, we are in the process of locating her. Confidential po yung mga operational details ho na yan. Wala pa po silang abogado, but they are of course entitled to one. Kakasabi lang po ng Secretary of Justice ho natin that we have to respect the rights of the two, no? Hindi naman pwede na dahil nandito na sila sa Pilipinas at alam naman ho natin na malaking-malaki itong issue natin, that we can forgo any of these rights that are afforded to them. Kaya po, we are making sure that all the rights are respected. We have to go through the right processes, which includes the inquest proceedings where the charges will be read to them. They will also be given a chance to explain their side, and then we will have to see kung ano yung mangyayari after that. Well, I think that will have to be the process, no? So baka dun po sila.
So sir, how long po sila madadetain sa BI?
Well, I cannot give a definite timeline, but we just have to make sure that all the processes are finished and completed. Okay? Ganun naman, kaya po inquest ang gagawin. So meron naman talagang naka-standby na mga prosecutors kung sakaling may mga ganitong processes, no? Kahit sa weekend, meron naman po tayo mga inquest prosecutor na makakapag-process sa mga ganitong bagay.
On what charges?
Obstruction of justice, as well as violation of the Passport Act.
Kanselado po ba ang passport niya?
Not I have yet to receive any information that their passports have been canceled already. Wala pa akong information. That would have to be kasi DFA. Okay? Maraming salamat. Salamat.